What do you do when you find out that your book, your favorite book, has got a torn page? Do you reach for the Scotch tape, the duct tape, the super glue, the Elmer's glue? Well, I'm here to tell you about a much better way to repair a torn page with book repair glue. My name is Luann, and I've been a school librarian for 17 years. During that time, I have fixed so many torn pages, along with books with loose bindings or broken bindings, pages torn all the way out. I even try to fix them before they break altogether. See, this binding is really loose. The only thing I can't fix is a lost page. My ability to do this, make these repairs, has saved my school thousands of dollars in new books. Some benefits of glue rather than tape are that it's much stronger. And as you can see here, the tape puts a lot of stress on a page, so the page is more likely to tear here next to the tape. So, for my demonstration, I'm going to be using a book with a torn page, a small paintbrush, some book repair glue, which I use Norbond liquid plastic adhesive available at library stores, a piece of wax paper, and some rubber bands. First of all, take the wax paper. The wax paper is available any place. And put it on the underside of the page, making sure it's long enough to cover the whole tear, and then long enough on the upper side to fold over. We take scrap paper, put a little bit of glue on it, about the size of a dime, even that big, and then your brush. I'm left-handed, so I have to put things this way. Keep your page clear, meaning it's not touching anything. Put a light coating of glue right along the edge. Both edges.
Brody Johnson and Sebastian Johnson to the cafeteria, please. Brody and Sebastian, please report to the cafeteria.
And fold the edges together, making sure that the words are clear, that they're all lined up. Wipe off any excess glue and fold the wax paper over. And then I put rubber bands on it, one this way and three this way, to put extra pressure on the page so that it glues, the glue dries straight. And then we set that aside for a couple of hours to dry. Clean the paintbrush with water and throw the extra glue away. And we'll see you in 2 hours. All right, here we are back with the repaired book. Take the rubber bands off. Take the wax paper out. This is why you use wax paper, because it doesn't stick to the glue. And there you have a perfectly repaired page with glue instead of tape. The little bit of glue and paintbrush, you too can fix tears in your books. Thank you for listening.